Hello, my friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. President Biden is finally ready to take big action for the American people. The Biden administration and lawmakers are now working together to pass a new executive order. Millions of Americans will be impacted by this new legislation. Friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. President Biden said that the country is going through an incredible transition away from fossil fuels through the high gas prices being experienced nationwide. President Biden made the statement on gas prices during a joint press conference with the Japan Prime Minister. The national average for a gallon of regular unleaded gasoline stands at $4.56 as of Monday, which is more than 40 cents higher than it was just a month ago. In some parts of the country, such as California, the average price for a gallon of regular gas has reached $6.10 per gallon. Biden also added during the press conference that his administration has taken steps to prevent the price at the gas pump from even going higher, such as the release of 1 million barrels of oil from the U.S. Strategic Petroleum Reserve. Biden had told reporters, "And what I've been able to do is keep it from getting even worse." The price of gas at the pump is affecting a lot of families, but so far, we have released millions of barrels of oil. President Biden instituted policies that some say are anti-energy during his first hours in office, including canceling the Keystone XL pipeline that would have moved more than 800,000 barrels of crude oil per day from Canada to Texas. Biden also paused oil and gas leases on federal lands. The Biden administration has also canceled multiple federal oil and gas lease sales, some as recently as this month, amid the gas price surge. So, dear friends, do you think that President Biden is doing enough to lower the price of gasoline? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. The Biden administration also announced that the Environmental Protection Agency will allow the sale of E15 gasoline across the country this summer. He is also calling on Congress to make companies pay fees on idled oil wells and non-producing acres of federal lands, aiming to incentivize new production. But a newly released poll shows that President Biden's approval rating fell to 36%, marking its lowest point to date in many polls. The poll found that President Biden's approval rating fell 6% points from a week earlier, and it dropped from 76% to 72% among Democrats in that same span. Voters have given President Biden very poor marks on his handling of the U.S. economy, which aides argue is strong despite persistent concerns about inflation. When confronted with bad polls, the White House has insisted its agenda benefits the American people, and that officials must do a better job communicating that. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you really think that President Biden is doing a good job at handling the current crisis and inflation? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Glacier Bay. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Glacier Bay, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Senator Mitt Romney and several other Republican senators have introduced a bill that would prevent President Biden from canceling student debt. The bill cites inflation as one of the primary reasons to avoid loan forgiveness at this time. Led by Senator Mitt Romney and signed by Senators Richard Burr, Tim Scott, Bill Cassidy, and Tom Tillis, the Student Loan Accountability Act would prohibit the Biden administration from canceling student loan debt at the expense of millions of Americans who choose to not go to college or work diligently to pay off any student debt. But President Biden has long said that he would be open to canceling some amount of debt for all federal student loan borrowers. If passed, the Student Loan Accountability Act would block any government department from taking legislative action towards the forgiveness of outstanding student loan debt. However, loans enrolled in pre-existing federal forgiveness programs, like public service loan forgiveness, would be excluded from this legislation. The senators argue that canceling student loans would increase inflation, incentivize higher tuition costs, and also raise the national debt. With Democrats currently controlling both the Senate and the House, it is unlikely that this bill would be passed with Democratic support. The future of student loan forgiveness is still uncertain at the moment, and President Biden has recently indicated that he may cancel a set amount of federal student loan debt per borrower. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this as well? Should there be a cancellation of student loan debt? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
The reason for inflation is Vladimir Putin. From the moment he put his over 150,000 troops on the Ukrainian border, the price of gasoline in January went up 75 cents. And Putin began amassing troops along the border, and guess what? The world took notice. And those of you who work in the business know that the market anticipated. Prices went up more. And then Putin invaded. Make no mistake, inflation is largely the fault of Putin. I love, the Republicans saying it's Biden's gas pipeline. Biden said he's going to stop the Keystone pipeline, and I did. And that's the reason prices went up. Folks, let's get something straight here. The Keystone pipeline was 2 years away and had been 2% finished. Give me a break. Give me a break. Headline fact checker in the New York Times. Republicans wrongly blame Biden for rising gas prices. And it goes on to explain why gas prices are so high. Washington Post op-ed by Dana Milbank. Opinion, Biden heeded Republicans' plea to ban Russian oil. They pounced. And it goes on to talk about why it's gone. Don't let anybody tell you anything you did supporting the idea that we block Russian oil coming into the country, which is going, and I said at the time, prices are going to go up for gasoline. It wasn't anything we did. And by the way, you're in a situation right now where if you take a look, the idea, can we pump more oil? There are now there are 172 gas and oil rigs running. Now there are 519 in operation before this all began. But guess what?
Well, my magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. In a video later tonight, I will be announcing the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.